Hi guys, welcome to Ufye Padhai. I'm Lavanya and today I'll teach you a conjunction in German. The name of the conjunction is aber. Aber means but and it shows a contrast. Basically two opposite situations. अगर हिंदी में translate करें तो पर, like I'm doing something par. So that par is basically in Hindi and but in English. So let's have a look at the examples. First of all, please take a note that whenever aber comes, a comma is written before it. Whenever you use aber in a sentence. Now, ich bin krank, aber ich nehme kein Medikament. That means I am sick, I am ill, but I am not taking the medicine. मैं बीमार हूँ पर मैं दवाई नहीं ले रही हूँ. So it's an opposite situation. See, when you are sick, you will obviously take medicines only. But that's the contrast over here. That in this sentence, the person is not taking the medicine. Second sentence, sie war pünktlich, aber sie hat den Bus verpasst. That means she was punctual, but missed the bus. वो पंक्चुअल थी डिसिप्लिन थी बट फिर भी उसकी बस मिस हो गई है. So the contrast is that when a person is very punctual, disciplined, so you obviously will expect that person to not miss a train or a bus for sure, right? But in this sentence, the girl, she has missed the bus. So that's a contrast. So over here, let's have a look at the verb positions as it is. You can see it's the second position only basically. A normal sentence always has verbs in the second position, and even when you join the sentences with aber, the position remains the same only. So let's just break down these two combined sentences first. The first one is ich bin krank, and the second one is ich nehme kein Medikament. Now these two joined together, comma comes and then aber, and then the sentence as it is. In this case also, sie war pünktlich, sie hat den Bus verpasst. So two different sentences, but when joined using aber, a comma is added and then aber is written. But there's no change in the position of the verb. So that's a great thing, right? The easy part of aber. So I hope you've understood this. Please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, like and share more videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.